Hello, I am Heather Walpole and I am the owner here of Ewe Ewe Yarns, and today I want to show you 3 adorable lace knitting projects. Lace knitting is a ton of fun, it's not too hard, and we have some really great projects lined up for you today. You might be able to see them. So first I thought I would talk about this cowl that I'm wearing. It is called the Rush Cowl, R-U-S-H. Here is the pattern. It is a free knitting pattern. There's a link in the description to download this design and you can give it a try. It's a super fun, here I'll take it off so we can talk about it. It's a really fun lace project that is great for any skill level of knitter because you work some garter stitch and then you get to work the lace, and that way if you make a mistake in the lace you can easily think back to the garter stitch section. So this is a really great project to give lace a try without having some huge shawl or a giant undertaking of a big t-shirt covered in lace or whatever. It just gives you kind of the basics of lace knitting, and in these little 1-inch panels you can give it a try, and if you make a mistake it's easy to come back. Not that I think you'll make a mistake because this is a really great pattern. It uses 2 balls of You So Sporty. So let me show you. This sample was made in the teal and the aqua colorway. You can see there. So our You So Sporty is a sport weight yarn, and it comes in a huge rainbow of 25 colors. Look at all these fun colors. I'll slot these 2 back in their homes here in my rainbow. And the combinations are endless. Like, how great would that look in like more tonal colorways, the lavender and the iris blossom, or maybe even go wild, citrus pop and black for like a really statement look, even black and white. I don't know, there's so many fun combinations that you could put together to make this super cute cowl. So anyway, that is the Rush Cowl, a free knitting pattern, and I'd love for you to download it and give it a try and let me know how it goes. And we also have yarn kits in some of those combinations that I mentioned, and those are linked below too if you just want to get the yarn and go for it. And then next up we have this beautiful shawl here next to me. This is designed by Megan Schmaltz of the Unapologetic Knitter. This cool shawl is called SPYTACULAR because you get to I spy these little holes and it's pretty spectacular. So the SPYTACULAR is a boomerang shaped shawl. You know how I love those. And it has a really neat, you start here at this edge and it has these little stair step rows that you work, and it grows across, and then you get to add this contrasting color border, and the whole shawl then finishes with this little picot edge. And you might notice how there are eyelet sections with larger holes and smaller holes, and I just love that little detail of like a yarn over and a double yarn over and how different they can look. But I do think my favorite part are these stair-stepped kind of jagged edge of that that leading edge. but it's such a cute little, this is the small size in the pattern, and I just think it's such a nice scale to throw on, especially as the temps are changing, and if you just want to tuck it under a little jacket. It's just the perfect little size. And as I mentioned, it is called SPYTACULAR, and this is the pattern by the Unapologetic Knitter. And we have yarn kits for this. This is worked in fingering weight yarn. And in our fluffy fingering, I'll show you the colors that we have this one made up in. The border here is in our forest fern. And then the main body requires 2 balls of the soft sage. Or again, whatever colors you want to knit it in, because we have 18 colors. Hold on, I'll get my little basket. You know how I love my yarn baskets. We have 18 colors of this yarn. So, I mean, how pretty would it look with like silver as the body with a hot pink border? Yeah. Or maybe you're into like blues. You could do the sky blue with a sapphire border. That would look great with denim all day, every day. You know, you just wear like a little white t-shirt, your blue shawl, and your blue jeans. There's red velvet and berry look fantastic together. This lemon chiffon I have been melting over lately. Lemon chiffon and charcoal always look amazing. Lemon and aqua for a pop. Just lemon and cotton candy for a sweet little shawl. The possibilities are endless, and I have put together a kit on our website where you get the 3 skeins, and I put together some color ideas so you can choose one of mine or you can pick your own. But remember that the main color up here at the top uses 2 balls and the border uses 1. And then the pattern is sold by our friend at the Unapologetic Knitter on Megan's website and on Ravelry. So a nice way to get a super cute little shawlette. Look at that. I just love it. And then lastly, you might see my little friend hanging out over here. I'm not going to try this one on. This is called the CUPCAKE CARDI. How adorable is this little sweater? It's just so cute. So this little sweater is a raglan shaped kind of empire waisted little jacket for a toddler. It's a 12-month size. The pattern comes in that size, and it has nice, it opens easily here at this edge with the buttons, so it goes on very easily, but there's enough buttons that it stays secure on a cute little kid. The lace stitch here is easy to remember. It's a 4-row repeat, so as you're working it, you can just, once you get the pattern down, you can just really get cruising on it, and it just makes the fabric flow in such a sweet way. This is also knit in our You So Sporty yarn, which comes in 25 colors. I love this red poppy color, but yeah, any color would be so cute. That little lemon chiffon again, any of them. Perfect for a cute little kid running around. And the pattern also, we'll hang her back up here. Here's the pattern, and it also features a long sleeve version. So you can work it for any time of year, and then it has the little lace down at the cuffs. And either size, well, either size sleeve uses 3 skeins of You So Sporty. So super fun, great little project called the CUPCAKE CARDI. And you can see how the little sweater opens. And we have all the details right inside our pattern. Nice, easy to follow steps. And if you ever have a question on our patterns, you can email us and we'll get back to you to help you out. And all of the yarns are available on our website, uu.com, and you can get yours to start knitting. So I hope you'll download the Rush Cowl and get a yarn kit to make SPYTACULAR. And if you know a sweet little baby that needs an adorable dress, maybe you'll give the CUPCAKE CARDI a try. So let me know if you do, and thank you for coming along and knitting with me. Have a great day.